Hi everyone! Welcome back to another fun money origami tutorial. Today we're going to fold an adorable origami bird using real dollar bills. This easy project is perfect for anyone who loves animals, unique gifts, or creative ways to give money. Let's get started. Step 1. Attach 3 bills to form a square. Start by taping 3 dollar bills together to form a perfect square. Origami tip. Make sure the edges are aligned perfectly to create a clean square. The better the square, the easier the folds. Step 2. Fold diagonally. Now fold your square diagonally from one corner to the opposite corner to form a triangle. Crease it well, then unfold it to reveal the center line. Step 3. Fold the bottom edge upwards. Now fold the bottom edge of your square upwards, as shown in the instructions. This will help shape the body of the bird. Origami tip. Be sure the folds are sharp and precise to give your bird a neat and clean look. Step 4. Fold the wings. Next, fold the left and right edges toward the center, forming the wings of the bird. You can make the wings as wide or narrow as you like. Step 5. Fold the legs. At the bottom of the shape, fold out small sections to create the legs of the bird. Make sure they're even for balance. Step 6. Fold the tail. Now fold the back section upward to form the tail. You can adjust the angle to give it a more natural look. Origami tip: a slight curve to the tail can make the bird look more lifelike. Step 7. Fold the head. Finally, fold the top corner down to create the head of the bird. You can shape the head and add details, like a small triangle for the beak. Step 8, done. And there you have it, your very own money origami bird. It's fun, simple, and makes a perfect gift or decoration for any occasion. If you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment to show us how your money bird turned out, and let us know what other animals you want to fold next. Money origami, origami bird, dollar origami, easy origami, origami animals, creative gift, fun folding, origami tutorial.